Hey, what's up, Vechain holders? So this is live price prediction of Vechain. Absolutely very urgent because my brother in last 24 hours they will give us a very good profit now. So I am so happy to see this. Congratulations, my viewers, my subscriber. Today will give you a profit. Vechain will blooms up and starting moving upward from last 24 hours, especially in last 4 hours when I see my brother. So definitely 3.83%. This is very good change occur my brother and last just in only 24 hours, as you can see here. So 10.79% profit. I think they will easily hit now 0.5 USD dollar at the end of month if they will give you 10% profit every day, my brother. So my brother, this time absolutely my prediction is going to be positive now. For all of you, I just give you one special message, my brothers. Please try to understand to endorse this, especially short time investor when they're starting selling. So definitely they will completely dumps down, they will fail us down. But when they are starting holding, they will starting investing. So therefore the Vechain will starting moving upward now. So this time also my friend, especially in last 24 hours, the short time investor do this. So I really like my brothers to Vechain price will starting increasing now, and hopefully my brother this time the price is also very cheap now. I hope in upcoming days which price will more increase and they will give you more and more profit now. But please don't miss this chance. My prediction is totally going positive, so that's clear to an upcoming time. This is a profit time. So let's see, my brothers, don't miss this chance. One thing I want to share my brothers, so this is not a financial video. I just advise you please research personally, and after that my brothers, please my brother, you will take any decision, please research personally, and after that, all right. So hope you understand something new in this video, and if you have any question about Vechain, so ask me in a comment box. Absolutely I will answer you, I will reply you. Thanks for watching holder. Please like video and subscribe channel.